I'd like a room.
I'd like a room.
I'd like a room with 2 beds, please.
I'd like a room with 2 beds, please.
For how many nights?
For how many nights?
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
I'd like a non-smoking room.
I'd like a non-smoking room.
Is there a nightclub in town?
Is there a nightclub in town?
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies.
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies.
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
What are the prices like there?
What are the prices like there?
Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available?
May I see the room first?
May I see the room first?
Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
Are pets allowed?
Are pets allowed?
Has anyone asked for me?
Has anyone asked for me?
When is breakfast served?
When is breakfast served?
Could you call a taxi, please?
Could you call a taxi, please?
Can I use the internet here?
Can I use the internet here?
Would you please clean my room?
Would you please clean my room?
I don't want the room to be cleaned right now.
I don't want the room to be cleaned right now.
Could you please bring this to the laundry room to be cleaned?
Could you please bring this to the laundry room to be cleaned?
I would like to check out, please.
I would like to check out, please.
We really enjoyed our stay here.
We really enjoyed our stay here.
I would like a different room.
I would like a different room.
The air conditioning does not work.
The air conditioning does not work.
The room is very noisy.
The room is very noisy.
The room smells bad.
The room smells bad.
I requested a non-smoking room.
I requested a non-smoking room.
I requested a room with a view.
I requested a room with a view.
My key does not work.
My key does not work.
The window does not open.
The window does not open.
The room has not been cleaned.
The room has not been cleaned.
There is no hot water.
There is no hot water.
I did not receive my wake-up call.
I did not receive my wake-up call.
My neighbor is too loud.
My neighbor is too loud.
I made a reservation.
I made a reservation.
Do you have free rooms?
Do you have free rooms?
I need a room.
I need a room.
I would like a room.
I would like a room.
I would like the room with a bathroom.
I would like the room with a bathroom.
I would like the room with 2 beds.
I would like the room with 2 beds.
Is there anything cheaper?
Is there anything cheaper?
Could you show me a better room?
Could you show me a better room?
A room with a view of the sea.
A room with a view of the sea.
How is the payment for the service and tax?
How is the payment for the service and tax?
How much does the room cost with breakfast included?
How much does the room cost with breakfast included?
How much does this cost for the day?
How much does this cost for the day?
When do I have to vacate the room?
When do I have to vacate the room?
Can you recommend another hotel?
Can you recommend another hotel?
I will be for 2 days.
I will be for 2 days.
Where do I have to sign?
Where do I have to sign?
I would like to put some valuable things on deposit.
I would like to put some valuable things on deposit.
Send, please, the luggage to my room.
Send, please, the luggage to my room.
I would like to take my luggage with me.
I would like to take my luggage with me.
How is cable television connected?
How is cable television connected?
What time is the restaurant open?
What time is the restaurant open?
Can you ask for breakfast in the room?
Can you ask for breakfast in the room?
I'd like to leave it for the laundry.
I'd like to leave it for the laundry.
Please, clean the room.
Please, clean the room.
I would like to change the room.
I would like to change the room.
This room is very small.
This room is very small.
I'm leaving tomorrow.
I'm leaving tomorrow.
I would like to leave a day early.
I would like to leave a day early.
When do I have to vacate the room?
When do I have to vacate the room?
I would like to extend my stay for a few more days.
I would like to extend my stay for a few more days.
Can I have a look in the account?
Can I have a look in the account?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept traveler's checks?
Do you accept traveler's checks?
Where is the dining room?
Where is the dining room?
If there is a mini bar in my room?
If there is a mini bar in my room?
Where is the emergency exit?
Where is the emergency exit?
How much is paid per month?
How much is paid per month?
In what hotel have you stayed?
In what hotel have you stayed?
I have a room reserved.
I have a room reserved.
How much is per week?
How much is per week?
How much does a room with a bathroom cost?
How much does a room with a bathroom cost?
Can I see your best room?
Can I see your best room?
Is there air conditioning in the room?
Is there air conditioning in the room?
Will you give me your passport, please?
Will you give me your passport, please?
Here is the key.
Here is the key.
On which floor is the room?
On which floor is the room?
What number is my room?
What number is my room?
Can you give me the key to my room, please?
Can you give me the key to my room, please?
Where and when can you have breakfast?
Where and when can you have breakfast?
Can I leave my documents in the safe?
Can I leave my documents in the safe?
Is there a pool at this hotel?
Is there a pool at this hotel?
What type of payment do you accept?
What type of payment do you accept?
Check, credit card and cash.
Check, credit card, and cash.
Do I pay now or at checkout?
Do I pay now or at checkout?
Do you have laundry service?
Do you have laundry service?
I've lost my room key.
I've lost my room key.
Could you send someone up to fix it?
Could you send someone up to fix it?
Could I have some help bringing my luggage down?
Could I have some help bringing my luggage down?
I have really enjoyed my stay.
I have really enjoyed my stay.
Are you ready to check out?
Are you ready to check out?
What room were you in?
What room were you in?
I need your room keys, please.
I need your room keys, please.
How many stars does this hotel have?
How many stars does this hotel have?
Do you have a car park?
Do you have a car park?
I'd like to stay in the city center.
I'd like to stay in the city center.